Lolo, ako berongoni, ainer about itungangun lwerasi masters in emotional abuse, manipulating itunga, I sabi itunga, I guri itunga. Normally, itungalu ijatatari characteristics of narcissists. At the very beginning, meeting ajitunga kalu, especially if you are in relationships. Konyi characteristics luda indumuni joke the parents kedi due konye most times iwanyuni joke si best when they are in a relationship keda kesi. At the very beginning, eminas kesa route perfect. E pedora igweleji gifts. E pedora yangari anywhere nikoto jo I treating a jo bale princess, a queen. Konye kotonge even itunga around you to notice iborole so mainkini jo. Rasi perfect, and they make sure they are in your perfect books. Ke the books perfect good books of even itunga around you. Then later on, ogeuneti gut sketch I dropping. Ogeunete slowly I changing around emotionally unavailable. I testing a jaw. In their talking, I withdrawing like dumunijo. Lolo erai nice. Moi ajulakin erai cold. Erai bala bada de kadakit. You don't understand. Around slowly it testing it on emotions. Are you fully hooked? Are you obsessed with them? Before they start emotionally abusing you and making sure breaking you down. Pedori penditwena naso manage business, but at the end of it, ere mission ibongo rijo rock bottom. Ara breaking jo to the point. Inyoni jibala, oh God, you saved me from itungalo. If you've noticed, at the very beginning, eraskesi perfect. Konye by the end of it, inyoni jo. Inyekinete kesi jo, iwamiti jobe, there is a demon that has possessed them. Ejibore rono keda kesi. Even pedore ja ilip. Ailip de kokwe kwane. Konye ere characteristics bale disorder. Anitungalu, and most of the time, egeuta I'm mastering, I'm emotionally abusing a job. Lacking empathy, and then elosete kesi behind ijo na mi papero koni relatives koni tunga ageona inere jo erono apesengin ajulakin akwaikine ageunte kesi to make sure ilenga ite kese background ne down angesi down jo buni jo to cry for help. Basi tunga isabijo lemeli mono injo so kwane itunga ngun are very calculative in everything they do. Itunga ngun will always see how to win in every way. So esabete they jatatar kesi a group li tunga li supporting aite kesi. Are wanyu titunga ngunu be utasi ai bunga jo pete jo do ja limun be esoma ikiti yene eliminate tunga ngunu on their side isabijo. They will always I supporting it when in tunga ngunu dumunje maketa kesi flying monkeys. You live and wonder when did it when planning to bring you down. Kedikech behaviors. And most of the time in relationship, either in marriages, the easiest way to identifying one or wanyakebero erere twen dumunje laije rai always smart korisirigino kinga everyone's good books konyakebero silly, rai miserable, rai drained, itejo chuti poor kaberu ni chan. Even idue. Konyi dumunji tungangun areja tare sirigin. akebero maka isakanyida araid indio borekere ikedwe silo inyo konyengesi erai perfect okingangine kuri sirigine jatara ngora je elai inyo erai perfect people pleaser e cleaning e kotonge seke kirorangina elai no jore konye bongore erai something else a character erai different a chela is mamekota anaini sirigini araitunga lore do da kechingor i making sure mametori sirigini ili mujo kata ja berube akoto weranga asomi ni ngarakiningo igebwa nyubi geuja swam mambo bekota inana inji sirigini right osomore arai supporting ilimunjo ija soma ijoda ogwele nyamat tacheren o paying school fees isoma ijoda round kwa ne competition like around a mistake ijo ageuna swam for yourself do mam ngese koto ija challenging angesi in any way kati elimu ngesi be don't do this do just swam utukush julakini tweningin itungangun most times kati menaskesi to always get another person to triangulate kati ijaijo relationship idumnete ichetwene bobo arera berera inasisti idumne chetwen do dai triangulate e kotongesi SGOC donge saito somesai guresi teteresu irasa dictate tungesi areras era ingese ekilokit dumuni apese achie ne performing ingesi perfect things like ijo abero if you've been having dreams that I plans nyo ngunu kere kedangesi remember at the beginning mirroring aite kesi jo e pejorative na imitating ajo dumunjara mamngese mena aimate bia ege umasijo geuninges aimat arai mami koninyo arai mami imitating aite joy con character but then later after a genuine jejo tosomaye ekon weakness kere against jo to losiname it 20 chene I knew to do the same. He mirrors them. Now he will use he dreams con he plans con to transfer it na my 29 ijo arep ibalem ja kotonga kwa kinini akotonga geone business kalo eperage kini 20 a business tetereji monyi rai very annoyed very dodo ngesi ai pupe joke energy ngoni emotions ni release ngaijo in pain. There's a way they motivate to an end olai iyasi dongesa itakadike nijo mami tungangune kotosi ijo to give them accountability be arai to tell them what they have done is wrong utukui how do you even start straight away flipping at a script I'm making ijo a problem to the point ilos jalimu sorry for what they have done to you. They will make you confused to enjoy even I believing a better fault. Itungangun in masters of manipulation. Idumunje geuna isab. Then most times a pedoreta inanje hint of everything elosteke saswam. Then later like a kotoskesi to do it or genujo so that you react to them. And then most of the time, if you start holding up your emotions and stop reacting to them, it frustrates them. No. Ekotoskesi already emotionally hooked. That's why detaching and silence to a narcissistic person arrive a gunshot to their game. Then around was so bored, so frustrated, so miserable. Anyun be mame, mam ngese pedora I manipulating ajo.